Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The problem of text justification is a common one in programming interviews, particularly in the context of formatting text in a way that aligns it neatly in a specified width. LeetCode Problem 68, Text Justification, is a great example of this. Let's break down the problem and provide a solution in Python. Problem statement. You are given an array of strings words and a maxwidth integer. Your task is to format the text such that each line has exactly maxwidth characters and is fully justified. The rules for justification are as follows. 1. Each line should contain as many words as possible without exceeding maxwidth. 2. The words must be separated by at least one space. 3. Extra spaces should be distributed as evenly as possible between the words. If the number of spaces is not evenly divisible by the number of gaps, the extra spaces should be distributed from left to right. 4. The last line of text should be left justified and any extra spaces should be added to the right. Input. Words, list of strings representing the words to be justified. Maxwidth, integer representing the maximum width of each line. Output. A list of strings, where each string represents a justified line of text. Example. Input asterisk. Output asterisk. Solution steps. 1. Iterate through the list of words and build lines until adding another word would exceed maxwidth. 2. Once a line is built, justify it according to the rules described above. 3. Handle the last line separately to ensure it's left justified. Python code implementation. Here's a Python solution for the problem. Explanation of the code. 1. Initialization. We initialize result to store the justified lines, current underscore line to hold words for the current line, and current underscore length to track the total length of the words in current underscore line. 2. Building lines. For each word, we check if adding it would exceed maxwidth. If it does, we justify the current line. We distribute the extra spaces across the gaps between words. The last line of text is handled outside the loop to ensure left justification. 3. Finalization. After exiting the loop, the last line is left justified and added to the result. Conclusion. The text justification problem is a great exercise for understanding string manipulation and formatting in Python. The solution provided efficiently constructs each line while adhering to the formatting rules specified in the problem statement.